Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash script. Today we are going to learn about the bash read password without echoing back. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In the bash script, you can use the read command with the flag -s to read a password from the user without displaying it on the screen. Let's have a look. So prompt the user for a password without echoing. So here we have, let's copy the script, add it over here. Okay, so read, enter your password, use the password, echo, move to the new line after the user presses enter. Use the entered password, your password is this. Okay, so let's have a look of that one, how it works. First enter your password, I'm adding Rajnikant at the rate 123. Your password is Rajnikant at that 123. Without knowing what the password is, that we are able to guess what exactly the password is. How does it possible? Let's have a look the code. Okay, so here the -s flag with read ensures that the input is silent, meaning the characters typed by the user won't be shown on the screen. This method is useful for scenarios where you want to securely read passwords or sensitive information from the user without displaying it on the terminal. So you can do like this. Okay, read the password without printing, without echoing. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.